Hey, y'all, come check out this two-story tiny home on wheels. It's actually built on the truck base, and when it stops, it can be extended all the way up. In total, it's 5 meters high.
My guitar is the only
Sliding doors, living room. It's built in very industrial style. Dining table, kitchen with old school English stove and oven, fridge, bathroom with a barn door, washing machine, composting toilet. Look at this, it's a bathtub just on the second floor.
turned down by a woman with a heart of coal. Shook down.
On the second floor, we have a bedroom, 180 to 2 meter king size bed, huge panorama window, chill zone, wardrobe, and the bathtub.